You've probably heard of inflammation, right? It's your body's natural response to injury or infection. A little bit is good. It means your immune system is working. But what happens when that fire just won't go out? That's chronic inflammation, and it's linked to almost every major health issue you can think of. Heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, even neurodegenerative diseases. We're all looking for that magic off switch. Well, what if I told you that switch might already be built into your own cells? This is where a super cool process called autophagy comes in. Think of it as your body's ultimate deep cleaning and recycling program. The word itself means self-eating, which sounds a bit intense, but it's amazing. Your cells use autophagy to break down old, damaged, or dysfunctional parts, like worn-out proteins and organelles. They then recycle the raw materials to build new, healthy components or to generate energy. It's the ultimate cellular Marie Kondo. It gets rid of the junk that no longer sparks joy and keeps your cells tidy and efficient. So what does this cellular housekeeping have to do with inflammation? Everything, it turns out. A major source of inflammation is cellular stress and damage. When our cells are cluttered with junk, they send out stress signals. These signals are like little alarm bells that call in the immune system, screaming, "Help! Something's wrong here." This constant alarm is what fuels chronic inflammation. Autophagy steps in and quiets those alarms. By clearing out the damaged goods, the misfolded proteins, the malfunctioning mitochondria, it removes the very source of the stress signals. It's like cleaning up a messy room before it starts to smell. The less cellular junk, the fewer inflammatory signals, and the calmer your immune system becomes. Research is showing this link is incredibly strong. For example, studies on inflammatory bowel disease have found that when autophagy isn't working right, inflammation in the gut gets much worse. In conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, boosting autophagy has been shown to help reduce the inflammatory response that attacks the joints. It even plays a role in our brain health. By clearing out the protein clumps associated with diseases like Alzheimer's, autophagy helps reduce the neuroinflammation that contributes to cognitive decline. The big question is, can we actually turn up our own autophagy? The answer is yes, and you don't need a fancy supplement to do it. The most powerful known triggers are things like intermittent fasting and exercise. When you fast, your body enters a state of mild, controlled stress. It senses a lack of external nutrients and flips on its internal recycling program to generate energy and building blocks. Exercise does something similar, creating a demand for energy and cellular repair that kicks autophagy into high gear. Oh, while inflammation can feel like an unstoppable fire, remember your body has its own highly effective, built-in fire department. By supporting your natural autophagy process through simple lifestyle choices, you're not just cleaning your cells, you're actively dialing down inflammation and building a more resilient